Estamos haciendo una torta de fruit punch. Exquisito. And guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So we got long when we put up a video, but we're back again now. Got a little treat for one. Then how are we making chakra? Well, as you see here, this is breadfruit already cut and washed. Also here, we will be making here a breadfruit cake for you all. I know it has been long, we haven't put up a video. They have reclaiming us about it, but due to some problem that we had, family problem, it was kind of difficult. But Cooking with Greg is back again, and I hope you all enjoy. Remember, it's always delicious. Subscribe and give us that like and follow us. For the breadfruit cake what we'll be making, this is what we'll be using. This is one breadfruit, medium breadfruit, full. Then we have 1 stick of butter. We have here 2 pounds of sugar. Now remember, I always say sugar you put to your gusto, your taste. We have also 1 pound of flour. Here we have 1 pound of flour, and we will be using as usual 2 milk. Okay, 2 Eskimo milk.
2 quart.
Liquid 2. Let's make it 1 quart. We do have here vanilla. We will put a stick of salt, you know, the butter, and nutmeg also. We'll be using nutmeg in it also. So the first thing we'll doing will be put this breadfruit to boil. I usually boil the breadfruit with a couple cinnamon stick in it. So we'll put a little stick for it to boil. You know, that would bring it flavor, you know, make it get the flavor. Alright? So we will put the breadfruit to boil now, okay? Here we go, let's wait for it to boil.
How long not boil now, Chaka?
Until it's soft.
Until it's soft for you and it's soft, Chaka?
We'll take a fork and you see and we'll see mushroom, okay?
Alright then.
Remember, delicious. Alright, see?
So you think soft? Strike one, kasi? Okay.
Yeah.
Ready like Freddy then, eh?
Just like that. Now what we're going to do is taking it out and make it cool a little. People like say everything we blend it, we got to blend it. Keep following us, we'll make a pumpkin cake, also we'll be making mango fresco, or roll. We're going to cook up long time and go on until we wait till I come back. Put it up.
Which water is it, Chaka? What water looks so
This is
dirty?
what we boil it with. That's how it went looking up there. You see we can with the cinnamon and we boil it, so we're using some of the water as well. Well, I'm blending it and I'm showing you where it's going.
But this look like the breadfruit pop.
Then you got to blend it, then you fix it up for bake it, brother man. Who don't know about breadfruit cake, learn this one. And if you make it another way, don't worry. Once it come out, the breadfruit cake is a breadfruit cake. Every chef make a thing their own way. And this is the way that Wendell Alexander alias Chef Shakam Shambalang do this.
People who can't cook say that, they make it them own way, just for no feel, say, for no feel bad when it come out bad. Yeah, hot it, then beat it. Okay. Why not just buy candle and polvo? Why not just buy... What it look like af. Kiko.
So let's take a bottle. That will be used there.
Breadfruit cake, Chaka style. Let's see how everybody do it.
Al estilo Shakam Shambalang. Chef Shakam on the line again.
No, here, Chef Shambalang. So we use the whole quarter milk.
We're going to use the whole quarter.
Oh, you just... Okay then.
A little bit of rum.
See the dearest rum we got.
Let us add a little flour now on the flour. Half baking powder to this, okay? That's one of them. And that's 2 of them, okay? Now we're going to stir it
so it can mix up with the breadfruit. Make sure we stir it good so you don't have any lump. So we just put a pound of flour to one breadfruit. And if we need to add any more, if it's too thin, then we just add very little more flour until it reach to the point that we want it to.
You have to preheat the oven how much minutes? 15, 10?
10 minutes.
10 minutes? Okay, good. Maximum 330. Go on, what you do?
To grease the handle that I will be baking the breadfruit cake. Delicious. Estamos haciendo una torta de frutepán. Exquisito. Boss José. Hey, you know,
Saludos, José.
Saludos a José Hernández, my boss. Sabe, Yader también y a los demás. Hey, never forget about Webster, boss. Alright? Saludos a usted también, boss. But how I almost forget Roberto. Roberto, you always did. Roberto, you always did find my channel, okay? Her channel. So this is a bread cake, torta de frutepán. Keep it to us, man. Delicious. So look like I'm a bit on now and you want it. Yeah, I'll put that fire, put that in.
That's the problem.
Just get anything turned on.
So the cake done now.
Yes, guys.
Oh, that's because I know what the bag.
Been right wrong here.
Here, one is the kind of got anyway.
No, that nobody have a home to so.
Delicious.
So this is what happened after the cake. This is what happened when the cake done. See man line off now for eat. Behind the scenes. Behind the scenes. You're looking the biggest one.
Guys, son, come, move
You're gonna find the biggest one. And see what happened behind the scenes.
Guys, son, from here. And one of them too.
What am I thinking of cake?
So we cook this because it's Kenny's birthday. That's why I'm eating this. Kenny beg this, it's a heavy request. Got 34 years. Can you say something to the camera now? But anyway, that's Kenny. That's Javon and that's Donnell. Huh? How you do? You enjoy your birthday meal, Kenny?
People, man.
Kenny, I just want if you enjoy your birthday meal.
I TikTok video.
You're a happy guy, fun guy.
No.
How you party birthday, Kenny?
Very cake.
Want the cake? So you make breadfruit cake, how you can? Happy birthday, bro. Love you here.
Come over good what you say. Buy the buy no, buy this, buy. Give us no comment. That's what we want, you all comment.
And
And if you can make it better, try it out and we will share it and also. We will make it the way. Just send us the way that you got to make it and we will make it for the public.
And it's who must check a car now? What are you talking about? See her behind the scenes. See what going on behind the scenes. She have one best guy in what eat. Anyway, no more that's Jay.
Oh no, take out the 20 and go.
But why? I put 277. So, but when they gonna give me 100, I get another 100 and it's confusing me, man. You can't cover that. Confusing me. How you confusing? If Trevor no gone, I had. What's up? Listen to me.
Man, like that red thing, boy.
Ah, so you want tape then?
Man, tape